I'm a dragon. He rings. And it is the year of the dragon. There we go. Thanks, sir. Thanks for the dragon and the bell. Hey! I hope Harvey and Terry are doing this but not poking their tongue out. We don't poke our tongue out when we do this, do we? No. Oh no, we just ring our bell.